So whenever we talk about metaverse, cryptocurrency or blockchain technology, we often heard this term called Web3 or Web 3.0. In the past 1 or 2 years, since the introduction of metaverse, we have repeatedly heard this term, and we have often wondered what is Web3 or what Web3 is exactly. So in this video, we are going to discuss this in detail. My name is Shouvik Ghosh and I am the founder of Internet Entry. So let us understand Web3 in detail. All the big tech companies in the world believes that Web3 will change the world of Internet. The way Internet works will not be the same as it works today. So Web3 or the decentralized web, as people call it, decentralized web, we will not have to be dependent on a central server. Rather, we will have a decentralized servers where computers will work in a peer-to-peer mode, so that there is no client-server mode. Each computer will be server, each computer will be client. So there is no dependency on a central server. So your data will be more secure, more protected, and you will not have the dependency to be on the centralized servers of the big tech companies. So before we go into any further details of Web3, let's first understand what Web 2.0 and what Web 1.0 is. Web 1.0, or the first generation of Internet, is where we used to get information from the websites from a read-only page. Like we could get the information from the website, but we couldn't give any kind of feedback to the website. Like it was not like a online newspaper only, where we can read, but we cannot express our views, we cannot provide our feedback, we cannot comment on anything. So that was called the first generation of Internet, or the read-only Internet. So that the time frame was 1980 to 2000 approximately. So between this 20 years phase, between these 2 decades, the Internet has evolved, became popular worldwide. After the introduction of dot-com bubble, like say precisely by 2004, we entered into the second phase of Internet, that is the second generation of Internet, or Web 2.0. In Web 2.0, the main problem is solved here. Here the communication become 2 ways, where we could get information from the website, also we can express our views, and we could provide our feedback, participate in a forum of discussion, and also we could upload our photos, videos, etc. Like especially after the introduction of Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, the Internet become very user friendly, and that is why it has become a community centric Internet, where people can express their views, participate in a discussion, and can derive information from various social media websites as well as from various blogging websites. So this was the second generation of Internet. Now comes the third generation of Internet. Yet it is not there full-fledged. No particular year can be mentioned as a introductory year for Web 3.0. As of now, there is no prominent proof of the existence of Web 3. So that is why we cannot comment on by which year the Web 3 will be introduced. But yes, it is back-end work is going on. All the big tech companies, they are working to introduce Web 3 technology. So the main advantage of Web 3 technology will be, as I already told earlier, that the servers will be decentralized, and we will not have to be dependent, on a single server. Also, the Internet will be able to process data like a human interface using big data, machine learning and decentralized laser technologies. Because of this decentralized laser technology and the blockchain technology, the Internet will be more secure, your data will be more secure, you will have complete control over your data, to whom you want to share your data, who can use your data. And the companies like Facebook or the Google, they cannot use your data without your permission for advertising purposes. They cannot use your data to retarget the audience for showing the advertisement of your choices. So just to conclude this thing, there are few people who do not believe that there is any existence of Web 3, like the founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, and also Mr. Elon Musk doesn't believe that there is any existence of Web 3 as of now. But however, we are hopeful that Web 3 will definitely come, and Web 3 will change the face of Internet. The way we use Internet will change, and Internet will be more reliable, more secure, and we'll have complete control and privacy of our data. So that is all for now, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. so that the YouTube algorithm knows that this video is useful to the audience. And also don't forget to comment on this topic, and also let us know in the comment section on which new topic you want to learn in the technological and digital marketing field. So that is all for now. Shouvik Ghosh signing off. Thank you.